Have you ever felt as though the universe is quietly speaking to you, dropping subtle hints about who you are truly meant to be with? Sometimes it isn't loud, it isn't obvious, it's a gentle nudge, a coincidence that feels too perfect, or a dream that lingers long after you've woken up. Today, we are going to explore the hidden language of the universe, 10 powerful signs that may reveal you are on the path toward your true love. These signs are drawn from the remarkable teachings of Dolores Cannon, a pioneer in exploring the soul's journey and the mysteries of destiny. Her decades of work with past life regression and spiritual connections revealed that nothing in life is random. Every encounter, every repetition, every inner shift, these are markers placed on our path, guiding us toward the relationships we are meant to experience. As you listen, notice which of these signs resonate with your own life, because if even a few of them are showing up for you, it may not be coincidence at all. It may be the universe confirming that your soulmate is closer than you think. Sign 1. Repeated encounters. Think about this. Have you ever kept running into the same person in completely different places? At the coffee shop, at the grocery store, while traveling, or even online? At first, it might feel like pure chance, but the truth is, chance rarely repeats itself with such persistence. Dolores Cannon suggested that these meetings are not random at all. They are part of a spiritual plan that was written before you even incarnated into this life. Every repeated encounter is like a checkpoint on your journey, a reminder that certain people are meant to stand out and play a role in your story. There are countless stories of people who kept bumping into each other across different cities or even countries, only to finally realize the universe was weaving them together. When they stopped ignoring the pattern and leaned in, the connection revealed itself to be something extraordinary, sometimes romantic, sometimes deeply spiritual, but always meaningful. If someone keeps appearing in your life, pay attention. The universe may be nudging you toward them, showing you that your stories are meant to intertwine. Sign 2. No pressure to settle. One of the clearest signs that love is unfolding for you is actually the absence of urgency. You're not forcing, not chasing, not clinging. Instead, you carry a calm inner trust that the right person will arrive at the right time. So often, society pressures us. Friends ask when we'll settle down, family members worry, and social media makes us feel left behind. But when you're truly aligned with the universe, you step into peace. You know deep inside that love doesn't need to be hunted. It arrives when the moment is divinely aligned. This is exactly what Dolores Cannon emphasized. Timing is everything. Every soul has its rhythm, its perfect season. When you stop forcing connections, when you release the need to prove something, you naturally shift into harmony with the universe's plan. That's when love appears, often when you least expect it. Nupriyamam. Sign 3. Loss of interest in the wrong people. Have you noticed your taste in relationships changing? Maybe people you used to be drawn to no longer interest you. The shallow attraction, the temporary thrill, the ones who don't challenge your spirit, they no longer light anything inside you. That's because your soul has evolved. As Dolores Cannon explained, when we grow spiritually, we naturally lose interest in partners who aren't aligned with our higher self. Your inner compass starts rejecting relationships that would only distract or drain you. Instead, you begin seeking depth, connection that feeds your heart, mind, and soul. This isn't a small shift. It's one of the universe's strongest signs that you're being prepared for your true love, because the wrong people stop pulling your energy once the right person is on their way. 1. Sign 4. Meaningful coincidences. Synchronicities, those strange repeating coincidences, are the universe's way of whispering. You might keep seeing the same number, hearing the same song, or noticing a name that follows you everywhere. To Dolores Cannon, these weren't random at all. They were signs, cosmic breadcrumbs left on your path. Maybe you keep seeing references to a specific city, and one day you meet your partner there. Or you keep hearing the same song before important moments, and later discover it's their favorite. These coincidences are not accidents. They are confirmations. They are reminders that your soul is tuned into a frequency that is leading you straight toward the connection that matters most. Sign 5. Instant recognition. Sometimes you meet someone for the very first time, and yet you feel like you've known them for lifetimes. The comfort is immediate. The connection is undeniable. You don't need to explain yourself because they seem to understand without words. Dolores Cannon believed this was no mystery at all. It's the memory of souls meeting again. Across many lifetimes, souls weave in and out of each other's stories. So when you meet someone familiar at the deepest level, it's not just chemistry, it's recognition. These are the meetings that change everything, because when you recognize someone soul to soul, it isn't about starting something new. It's about continuing something eternal. Sign 6. Inner peace. Before the right love comes, something happens inside. You reach a place of balance. No more constant searching, no more restless emptiness. Instead, you feel whole within yourself. That state of inner peace is magnetic. It raises your vibration, and you naturally begin to attract others who are equally balanced and ready. This isn't about perfection, it's about self-acceptance. You've healed, you've grown, and now you can offer love not from a place of need, but from a place of wholeness. Dolores Cannon taught that this inner state is crucial. Without it, relationships become lessons in struggle. With it, they become partnerships in growth. Like Sign 7, dream appearances. The universe often speaks through dreams. Have you ever dreamed of someone you haven't met yet, only to encounter them later in real life? Dolores Cannon found countless stories of this. People dreaming of strangers with distinct features, and then meeting them exactly as seen in the dream. These aren't random. Dreams can be glimpses of what's ahead, preparations for encounters that are destined. If someone appears in your dreams vividly, and that dream leaves you with a powerful feeling, pay attention. The dream may be telling you that your souls are about to cross paths in waking life. Now, Sign 8, letting go of the past. One of the most important signs is release, the ability to let go of old relationships, pain, and patterns. You cannot welcome your soulmate if your heart is still tied to the past. Dolores Cannon often said that clinging to old baggage clouds the path forward. Only by clearing what no longer serves you, whether it's an ex, toxic friendships, or outdated beliefs, can you make space for new love. This release is not just healing, it's an initiation. It's the universe's way of preparing you, saying, you're ready now. Sign 9, psychic confirmation. Sometimes the universe delivers clarity through others. A psychic, an intuitive, or even a stranger with unexpected wisdom can confirm what you've been feeling deep down. Dolores Cannon valued this kind of guidance, not as a replacement for your own intuition, but as an affirmation. A real psychic doesn't tell you something you don't already sense. They echo it, confirming that your soul is on the right track. If you've received such confirmation about a connection, treat it as another layer of validation from the universe. Sign 10. Reconnecting with someone from the past. And finally, one of the most profound signs, when someone from your past returns at exactly the right time. Maybe it's a childhood friend, an old acquaintance, or someone you once had a brief spark with. Back then, it didn't work. Not because it wasn't meant to, but because the timing wasn't right. Dolores Cannon described this as divine timing. The universe plants seeds, and sometimes they take years, even decades, to bloom. When you've grown and they've grown, paths can cross again. And this time, the connection is deeper, stronger, undeniable. These 10 signs are not random. They are messages, woven into the fabric of your life, guiding you toward love that aligns with your soul. So ask yourself, which of these signs have you experienced? Which ones are showing up right now? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories and synchronicities, because when we speak them aloud, we affirm them. And when we affirm them, we invite the universe to show us even more. Remember, love is not just something you find. It's something the universe reveals to you when the timing, the growth, and the alignment are all perfect. Trust the signs, trust the path, and most of all, trust that the love meant for you is already finding its way.